Hi everybody and welcome to IRB Training Video 2.1, Risks and Benefits, the fourth in our series designed to introduce students, faculty, and staff to the IRB processes on Georgia Southern University's campuses. The purpose of this video is to help you to understand the types of risks in human subjects research so that they can be properly described within the context of your proposals for IRB review. Within the context of IRB, risk is understood according to the criteria of minimal risk. Minimal risk is the notion that the probability and magnitude of harm or discomfort in any given proposed research is not greater in and of themselves than those that would be ordinarily encountered in the daily lives of the general population or during the performance of routine physical or psychological examinations. The definition of minimal risk can be found in 45 CFR Part 46 of the Common Rule. The Common Rule is housed on the Department of Health and Human Services website, and you can find it here. If you scroll down and click on the part devoted to definitions, you can find definitions of many of the terms that we've already discussed, and if you scroll down you can find a definition of minimal risk. Weighing risks versus benefits within the context of a research proposal is important because researchers need to maximize research benefits and minimize risks to persons in order to have their IRB proposals approved. A benefit for a given project is defined as a valued or desired outcome of the research or an advantage. Benefits can come to the participants of the project or they can be to society at large, and they're typically tied to the knowledge that's generated from a given project. Risks, as we've already discussed, or the probability of harm or injury occurring as a result of participation. Risks can be physical, psychological, social, or economic. Again, in order for an IRB project to be approved, researchers need to show that they've maximized their research benefits and minimized their risks to persons. Weighing risks versus benefits within a research proposal is important for two reasons. The first is that the evaluation of risk provides a pathway for the type of review. As we've discussed, there are three categories of review: exempt, expedited, and full board. Which category of review is appropriate for which research project is determined by the amount of risk. Exempt projects are below minimal risk, expedited projects are at minimal risk, and full board projects are above minimal risk. The second is that for any research project to be approved, the researcher needs to show that the risks to subjects have been minimized and that the anticipated benefits are maximized such that any anticipated benefits outweigh any risks. I hope this helps you to understand risks within the context of the IRB proposal. In future videos, we'll discuss ways to maximize benefits and minimize risk for participants.